Today, I'm going to answer the question, do I need a Google My Business listing in order to run Google Ads? The answer is no, you don't need a Google My Business listing in order to run Google Ads. However, the two combined can really complement any Google ad campaign. When your ad appears in the Google search, if you also have a Google My Listing, it's also going to appear in the Google My Listing section, which means it gives your business more real estate on that Google search page, and therefore a higher probability that that person searching for a product or service like yours is going to click. So why not sign up to a Google My Business listing? It's free. If you would like an audit of your Google Ads or your Google My Business, book a 20-minute call with me. It's free and complimentary. And select a time and let's have a quick chat about your business and whether Google Ads would suit you. Until next time, bye for now.